Hey guys, welcome back to the Aussie Buckets main distribution facility here in Melbourne, Truganina. My name's Aiden and today we're going to be checking out our compaction wheel series. Now these compaction wheels can either come in the drum or the multi-wheel design and are all backed by a 5-year warranty. Let's check it out. Right guys, so to kick off the walk around, we're going to start at the drum itself. So there's two options. Here you've got the primary drum wheel and we also offer the multi-wheel variant. With the drum wheel, you'll see it's just one big drum in between the housing and the bearings themselves. With the multi-wheel, we're going to have a wheel on the outside of the bearings and one on the inside. Benefit for the drum wheel, it's a lot faster, it's better at compaction, but you can't get right up against buildings or sides of the trenches due to the bearings. So the trial wheel is awesome because you've got the wheels on the outside, you can get right up close to buildings, right up on the sides of your trench, but your compaction rate is a bit slower because you do have gaps in the middle. All right, next up we have the bearing. So the bearing we use here, we're actually up to our 5th generation of bearings that we're using on our compaction wheels. That's just because we're trying to improve the reliability and the lifetime of the bearings in the unit. What we're using now is really similar to the idle wheel bearing in your tracks on your excavator. So if you're familiar with idle wheel bearings, you'll be used to how long they last. A really reliable piece of kit. And due to the way we bolted onto here, it's really easy to replace in the future when you are doing long-term maintenance on the unit. And now down to the bottom here, you'll see we have our bolt-on head bracket that goes straight onto the main frame. The bolt-on head bracket's available on all models, just in case you want to switch the compaction wheel over to a different excavator, or if you upgrade your machine later and you need to change your pin sizes. All right, now we're going to have a look at our mud scrapers down here. So these scrapers are just used to make sure we keep the drum clean and you're not getting material, especially in boggier conditions like clay and other sloppy materials that aren't going to get bogged up in the inside of the compaction wheel. So as the wheel spins around, you'll see it'll be clearing in between the nubs there. All right guys, that wraps up the walk around today of our compaction wheel series here at AB. If you're in the civil, earth moving or even the construction game, this could be a great next attachment for your fleet. So feel free to give us a call 0399178598 or head to aussiebuckets.com.au to chat to one of our specialists today.